So I just wanted to make a little update on one of the things that is available for free on my website, and it's an update that I've just recently made. As I said in a very recent video, I've merged all my websites into my personal website, giannichiarello.com. So the True Guitarist and MRG Central are no longer there. They all redirect to different parts of this website. Of course, the videos, the lessons are here, the YouTube lessons, and the backing tracks are in the shop area down here after all my ebooks. And so these are all the backing tracks. But this is about the Guitar Kit Lite, which is something I want to show you in a minute, and you basically will get for free when you sign up to the mailing list. Okay, you can sign up to the mailing list by giving your name and email address in different areas of the website. On desktop is here on the side. If you go mobile, it will be at the bottom of the website, bottom of the page. Sometimes on a single post, there will be a box just under the donate and download, where you can again sign up, and you can download the Guitar Kit Lite and some of my tracks, original music and backing tracks. And there's a dedicated page with all the explanation and some other blank templates. The Guitar Kit Lite, basically, when you sign up, you are actually presented with a zip file called ML Welcome, mailing list welcome. And basically you get 3 MP3s. One is entitled from my first album, nearly 10 years ago now, over 10 years ago now. Breaking Point, which is from my latest album, and then there's a backing track from the MRG Blues tracks. A link to my shop if you want to download, obviously, some of these products. And then there is the Guitar Kit Lite. It's a PDF file, and let me actually just make sure that it fits one full page. And basically this is the Lite version of the Guitar Kit Pro. And what this is just a bunch of templates. Some of them are blank, some of them are guitar templates, and this obviously is stuff paper. This is tablature. These are just box templates where you can, what I call fretboard box templates. These are basic chords, the main cowboy chords, and these are great to teach, I find, or for beginners. 7-chord shapes, again, I use these to teach a lot. Pentatonic scales, the 5 shapes, obviously this is on the side, which is great. Major scale, 5 shapes, and the 3-note strings, and the melodic minor and harmonic minor scale. So you have whole tone and diminished scale. So you have so much modes of the major scale. And this obviously is linked to the full version, which it's on the shop page, and has a ton more stuff in terms of these kind of templates. These are great, and it's available for $10, $9.99. These are great for both teaching and learning. I will make a separate video, updated video for this, but there is one on my website. I'll link it on the description below. I will link it on a pinned comment. So, and this is obviously the link to the shop page. So this is free when you sign up to the mailing list. As you can see, there's a link to my website. Please, if you could, just don't remove it. Obviously the full version, the Guitar Kit Pro, doesn't have any logo, and there's an explanation on how to add it. Add the logo when you buy that. But if you could, that'd be great. Obviously, this is the reason why I give this for free. I give this to all my students when I teach online, and I give some lessons to them, because obviously I found that this is great to write down chords, write down songs, to teach as a teacher for beginners, or it's something I've been using for well over a decade, exactly as you see it. So again, if you want to go over to my website, sign up to the mailing list, If you have already done it, that's great. Thank you for the True Guitarist. This is again on my website now, and I very rarely send out messages. We're talking about once or twice a year. I hate spam, so I just try to send stuff that is either a massive new release. I have a new book or a new album out or new tracks, or maybe I do an update on my website that is worth. Otherwise, everything is just sign up to my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most of the stuff is there. That's great. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. If you have anything that you want me to cover in these lessons, again, leave a message, and that's great. Take it easy.